In this quick video, I want to show you how to get your smart TV back to factory reset to basically what it was like out of the box. Basically, it wipes all your personal data and puts it like it was brand new. So it's very simple to do. Make sure you go to the home, which of course is the house here on your Samsung remote. There's two ways you can do it. There is a settings located on your Samsung remote. You could just hit settings, which is usually on the bottom left, but it depends on your model number. Or you can go to the little gear shift settings on your smart TV. So on this particular model, I go to the left, right down here where the three little lines are, or you might have the three little lines on your remote. I'm going to click to the left, and that's going to go to the gear shift where it says settings. It may be right in the middle of the screen or to the far right. You might have to go to the far right, but go to settings, click enter, and you're going to go to general. Let's go all the way down to general, click to the right, and then you want to click reset. All the settings will return to factory defaults. Only do this if you want to make it clean again and wipe everything out. You might have a situation where you have too much stuff on there and you just want a clean slate and start from fresh. That's good too, or just if you just want to resell it. Alright, thanks for watching and make sure you subscribe.